Hello friends, welcome to another product review. I'm checking out this tactical-geek wallet here. So this is the EXT17, comes in 3 different colors. We got the camouflage, then we got the X-Pack fabric in black, and then the Cordura fabric in black. So this is the X-Pack one. Okay, this features RFID blocking. Some pretty cool features on here actually. So it has a nice little magnet here, so you just stick it on your phone. It's going to hold your phone just fine. My case has this a little bit different, so it's got this for the Samsung. It's got this part that sticks out here. So even with that on there, this sticks nicely to that. So if you want to keep your phone and your wallet together, that goes on there nicely. What I like about this is, well, it's got a lot of cool features. So let's kind of dig in here. Okay, so it has all this Velcro right here, so you can have this, just have that little pouch there, and that opens up, that attaches, so it acts kind of like a normal wallet like that. You can just close it up like that if you want. And you can add this Velcro to it, so no one's going to sneak in your wallet. This also comes out here too, so if you want a smaller one, has a little magnet on here too. This also has a thing where you can attach it to your phone right there. This one's a little bit different, and this one kind of blocks that, but it's got the same, if you have a flat back on your phone, it's going to stick on there nicely. So to get your cards out, this has this little string here. You just pull that and your cards come out there. So very cool, holds them in there very securely. So if you want a small, slim wallet, you just want to put your cash and your cards on there and keep them in there from falling out. These things aren't going to come out of there. They're nice and tight, and if you want to get them out, you just pull that little cord. So this cord also has this little adjustable thing here, so if you need to strap it on your belt loop or something like that, or maybe you're going swimming, whatever. Okay, so that can kind of come off of there. You also have this cash strap here. Just put your bills in here, and it's going to keep them nice and safe. So this, like I said, this is RFID blocking, so you just put this way, bring this over the top. It's going to be nice and secure. And also it can be a little noisy, so if someone's trying to sneak into your wallet and take something, you're going to be able to hear that. So that's cool. Pretty strong Velcro here as well. What I like about this compared to my other wallets, so my other wallets, they're similar in size, I guess, but this one it's got metal. So although it is RFID blocking, and that's kind of cool, what I found is that when it's in my pocket, I keep my wallets in my front pocket, so when I wear it and I put my hands down, it hurts my arm when it's resting on that metal. So that's what I kind of like about this. It doesn't have, it's got some nice, it's a softer, and you're not putting your hand on like a metal thing that's gonna kind of hurt your arm or whatever for a while. And also if you do want to wear it in your back pocket or whatever, it's not as stiff as that one, so it's got some give to it. So very versatile. So you just hook it on there if you want to keep your phone and your wallet together. It's nice, and it's a pretty strong magnet on there too, so it's not going to really go anywhere. Okay, open this up. So if you were to just take it off all the way here, does also have, yeah, Velcro is really burly actually, so I'm going to put it on there. Oh my goodness, that is super sticky. Just like that. Okay, and this is a nice elastic strap here too, so it's going to keep your money in there. Also has a little coin purse here too, so you could throw some coins in there and maybe a key or something in there. That is cool. Okay, and this also features a magnet too, so it's just kind of like, it locks it kind of in place like that. So that's pretty sweet. What else? Just some nice features here. I kind of like this cord, how like my other one you had a little button you press and the cards come out. So with this one you just pull the little strap there and these just pop right out like that. So you can just slide them back in there. So you need your card out, boom, take it out and just pull that up there like that. Ready to go. Also has another pocket here and here as well. So very versatile little wallet here. I like that it's RFID blocking. Like the different configurations. You can hook it on your belt loop, you can hook it on your chain, stick it on your phone, you're ready to go. You can also, like, if you have like a metal shelf or something like that, you can put it on there. But let's just try it in the pocket to see how comfortable it is, because that was kind of one of my things is if I wear it in my front pocket and I sit down, okay, so that's not really hurting my arm like the metal in that one does. And so, like I said, it's a little bit more, it's a little smaller, a little bit more supple. So if you have, whether you have it in the front pocket or the back pocket, that's kind of cool. So I like that it is a little more give to it than my other wallet. Sometimes the metal wallet, I mean, it's just kind of stiff, you know. So see if I can get that out of there. Okay. So all in all, my friends, this is a sweet little wallet. Yeah, we'll hold. I'm not sure how many cards this can hold. I got 3 in there. Probably. Well, it's probably got a little stiff right now, so I'm probably up to 6 cards possibly. And yeah, but nice and secure. I like that it's versatile. Like I said, if you want to, a lot of people carry their wallets with their phone. Like kind of, you always have your wallet with you, always have your phone with you. It's nice that they can kind of go together. It doesn't really take up a whole lot more room there. So pretty sweet. Anyways, my friends, this is the EXT Tactical Geek wallet. If you guys want to use a code, I'll stick it in the bottom, ETPCYT, for an additional 10% off this, and I'll link it in the description below if you guys want to check it out. So once again, that is code ETPCYT for an additional 10% off. So check out the Tactical Geek EXT17 wallet. I think you'll like it, my friends. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.